Welcome to REM. In today's video, we'll see how to make a clone of a lead. Clone feature in REM allow you to duplicate a lead and assign it to a team member. Each clone lead has separate access, enabling team member to manage it individually and collaboratively. Now, how to make the clone of the lead? First of all, go to the leads from the left sidebar. Then select this checkbox if you want to make clone of all existing leads, and if you want to make clone of single lead, then select the desired lead. Now click on the make a clone button. Now select the campaign. You can also make the clone in the same campaign and different campaign too. Now choose the status of the clone. Now select the permission type. If you want that everyone have access, here everyone means that user will be assigned according to the existing permission rules of the selected campaign. And if you want to give customized permissions to the agent, then select customize permission and select the agent from the drop down. If you give the view permission, the agent will only able to view the lead. If you want that agent will make the changes in the lead, then give him the edit permission. By clicking on delete permission, agent will also be able to delete the lead. If you want to make a specific person the owner of the lead, select DRI. It means direct responsible individual. DRI refers to the individual who is directly responsible for managing the lead. When an agent is assigned as the DRI for any lead, then that agent will have the view and edit permissions by default. It is important to note that one single lead can be assigned to multiple agents for collaborating working. To track agent's performance, make it to the DRI of leads and monitor it on the dashboard. Now click on the confirm clone button. Now your lead is successfully cloned. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any further queries, please contact to our support team.